Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this BMW E30 made by Solido at the 1/18 scale. This is a Street Fighter edition model in this black with red color scheme. In the front everything looks good. My store did a bunch of variants of the M3 E30. We have the M3 logo there in the front. So we have some decals of the Yokohama. Next, on the side, this model has a functional steering, as all the Solido models do. We have these wheels. Also, we have the red brake caliper with Brembo written there on it. Also, on the side, we have a lot of stickers, and especially on this back window. Next, in the back, we have the stop lights. We have the BMW logo, also the Street Fighter license plate, and the M3 logo there as well. We also have the Advan logo on the wing. We have the roll cage. Underneath the model, we have the exhaust, and that's about it. Let's open the door to see the interior. First, we're gonna start with the driver door. Everything looks good on the interior. We have the sport steering wheel. So we have the bucket seats with the seat belts that are painted. Let's open the passenger door as well. We have the fire extinguisher. Also have the roll cage, which goes in the front as well. Tell me in the comments what do you think about the model, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel.